The math class in Java only contains static methods, and we'll cover some of the methods that are part of the Java quick reference, which I've linked in the description. So remember that with a static method, no object is created, and we'll use the class name with a dot operator to call that method. So recall that the absolute value of a negative number is minus that number. So here we have the absolute value evaluating to minus negative 3, which gives positive 3. And the absolute value function can be called with an integer and also a double. So in this case, the function behaves in a similar way and returns positive 5.4. Now the power function takes a base and an exponent as doubles and returns the base raised to the power of the exponent. So 2.0 cubed is 8.0. And similarly, the square root function takes in a double and calculates the square root of that number. So the square root of 25.0 is 5.0. Now the random function of the math class returns a double value that's greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1, and returns a random value as a double, as we can see. And the values returned from the random method can be manipulated to produce a random integer or double in a defined range. So here we can see that if we multiply the random number by 10, then we get a random double greater than or equal to 0 and less than 10.0. And if we want a random integer between 0 and 10, then what we do is put brackets around this and cast to an integer.